The next cocktail is Reggie Richardson's Sake Bitch. And what we're going to do here is muddle 3 fresh strawberries, like so, just to get the juice out of them. There we are. Add in 25 ml of cutty sack. Lovely. 25 ml of pomegranate juice. There we are. 5 ml of sugar syrup. Voila. And then give it a shake. Just like that. We're going to fine strain that into our champagne flute. Like so. Fantastic. And then top it with champagne. That is Reggie Richardson's Sake Bitch.